I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Groundhogg. Select a form. Contact Create. Next. Search and select Mailercloud. Give here the API key, so click on Visit here. Create API key. Give here the API name. Generate key. Copy the API key from here and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Select contact type. Map the respective fields. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to Groundhogg Dashboard and Contact. Add new. Create contact. Contact created successfully. Now go to the Mailercloud. And you can see the data came successfully in Mailercloud. Thanks for watching.